I flew in here from California, and the Texas Austin hospitality is amazing. I've met so many amazing people, so thank you so much for having me. My name is Rocky Peter, and a little bit about myself. You get to learn more about me if you come to the Sprout session, Peace Through Commerce, tomorrow, 10:17 at 10:17 a.m. and Handsome Building, if you know what that is. Basically, I was a child slave in Africa when I was a kid, and I overcame a lot of obstacles, put myself through college, and I'm grateful to be doing much better now. So you'll hear more about it tomorrow if you come out to the Sprout session. You could also ask me more about it later. But this next song I'm going to be singing, I'm a songwriter, by the way. Been writing my entire life. So this next song I'm going to be singing, I was walking down Hollywood Boulevard, and some street musicians recognized me from American Idol. It was like, oh, it's Rocky Peter from American Idol. And said, like, hey, would you like to sing a song for us? We're trying to make money here, and we've not been able to make money. So I didn't know which song to sing, and I created one on the spot. And this is called Beautiful Lover. I wrote the chorus and was able to help them make money. But with what's going on in our politics today, I wrote the verses to fit what's going on in our politics, to remind us all that it's all about love and unity, no matter what side we're on. Yeah. All right. So this is thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Yes. Awesome. Beautiful lover, would you care to share your love? Would you break the walls of hate to build a bridge of healing? Beautiful lover, would you care to share your love? What's the going rate to break your love and ceiling? We may have different religion, different politics, different color of skin. We are one human race. Beautiful lover, beautiful lover, beautiful lover, would you share your love? Beautiful lover, beautiful lover, beautiful lover, would you share your love? Share your love. Beautiful lover, would you care to share your love? Do I need $1 billion to show you how I care for you? Beautiful lover, would you care to share your love? Do I need a big old diamond to propose all my love for you? We may have different religion, different politics, different color of skin. We are one human race. Sing it. Beautiful lover, beautiful lover, beautiful lover, would you share your love? Beautiful lover, beautiful lover, beautiful lover, would you share your love? Beautiful lover, beautiful lover, beautiful lover, share your love, share your love. love. Beautiful lover, beautiful lover, beautiful lover, would you share your love? So the chorus is very easy. I really appreciate it if you sing along. It's beautiful lover, would you share your love? One go, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go. Beautiful lover, beautiful lover, beautiful lover, would you share your love? Beautiful lover, beautiful lover, beautiful lover, would you share your love? Beautiful lover, beautiful lover, beautiful lover, share your love, share your love. We may have different religion, different politics, different color of skin. We are one human race. Share love. Thank you. Thank you so much.